to Hasta Creations. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a garland made out of paper flowers. For this I'm using these tissue papers. These are in different colors. As you can see, these are mainly thin tissue papers used for the purpose of gift wrapping. For this we need these. So I have chosen 6 colors, and we need a ruler, pencil, this DMC thread, and scissors. So first let me take this one, and what I did was so I measure like 4.5 centimeters this way and 4.5 centimeters width like this, and let us mark 4.5 all through in a straight line. So I'm going to fold like this all along. So don't worry if it is not too straight. So I'm going to cut this. So as you can see, I have already marked 4.5. So I'm going to fold like this. Then on the reverse, again this side on the reverse. So these extra thing I'm going to remove, just cut it out. So out of this I'm going to make squares. So there are 2 here, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So each color I'm going to make, in each color I'm going to cut 10 pieces like this. And so I've taken 1. So up to 1.5 centimeters from this edge I'm going to make strips all through on both sides. Each strip can be 0.3 centimeter or 3 mm. So don't worry about exactly measuring. You can mark if you want, or you can cut approximately. So like that. Don't worry if they are not equal, doesn't matter, it doesn't show up when you make the flower. So this way too. So these tissue papers are very thin, so be careful. You can take your own time, you don't have to hurry up. So I have cut on both sides, they look like this. So I hold the middle part and roll it with my fingers. And twist a little bit at the center, very delicately. So this is, you can do this too. So this is one flower. So like this I'll be making flowers, 10 each of these in all these colors, totally 6. So I have made 10 flowers of each color with these tissue papers. They are like this. You can make as many colors you want, whichever color you want. So I'm going to show you how to make garland out of it. So for this I need the DMC thread. I'm going to leave some thread on the left side And here I'm going to start with these 10 flowers first. So hold it in the middle like this and put it on the thread, then go over it once, twice, then like this. You have to make a loop and go like this, loop it up, go around the flower. It is secured like that. Second one, so you can make 2 loops of thread around each flower so that it doesn't come out and it is secure. So let me take the green flowers I have made, like 10. So I'm going to start with green now. So these are very delicate flowers, so you have to hold it delicately. So I have finished making 2 colors. Let me go to the third one, which is pink. You can see closely, go around, make a loop, go from the top and like this. So I finished with 3 colors. Next I am taking golden. Yeah, sometimes you may end up doing only 1 loop, doesn't matter, it will still be secure, but it's a good idea to go 2 times. So this is how it looks. So now I'm going to take orange. Okay, so this is how it looks, and I have 1 more color to go. So this is the last one I'm putting. So this is the last flower I'm putting. So 1 more to end. So I'm just going to cut it off. This is how it looks. You can make as long as you want. This is just, yeah. This is how it looks, this colorful paper garland. Thanks for watching.